Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Madhusmita and today's my topic is performance appraisal from HRM, Human Resource Management. So let us see what is performance appraisal. Performance appraisal is a systematic evaluation of the performance of employee and to understand the abilities of person for future growth and development. Employee performance appraisal is the process of evaluating an employee based on their performance. In this performance appraisal, employees are judged on their performance, how the employee is performing to achieve the goal in the organization. So the definition of performance appraisal is systematic evaluation of the individual with respect to his or her performance on the job and his or her potential for development. So in mainly performance appraisal is the appraisal given to the employee, judging their performance, looking into their performance, how they are performing in their organization. They provide a document of employee performance over a specific period of time. They provide a structure where a manager can meet to discuss performance with an employee. They allow a manager the opportunity to provide the employee with feedback about their performance and discuss how well the employee's goals are accomplished, how the employee is trying to achieve the goal, how the employee will accomplish the goal. They provide a structure process of an employee to clarify expectations and decision issues with their manager. They provide a structure for thinking through and planning the upcoming year and employee's goal. They can motivate employee if suppose by a goal merit increases and compensation system. The performance appraisal helps the supervisor to check out the promotion programmers for efficient employees. For an organization, effective communication between employees and employer is very important. It is very important for the employer and the employees to communicate with each other, to discuss something, to discuss about the organizational goal. Through performance appraisal, the employee can understand and accept the skill of subordinate. The subordinate can also understand and create a trust and confidence on superior. So next is performance appraisal. What is performance appraisal? Process of performance appraisal. So first they establish performance standard. What is the standard of how to achieve the goal? What is the standard of the what is the standard to achieve the goal? So how the employee, what the employee how the employee achieve the goal, what is his strategy to achieve the goal, what efforts he is putting to achieve the goal. So first is that establish, deciding what the goal is and how to achieve it. Communication performance expectations to employee. Now communication performance expectation means they need to communicate with each other. The manager and the employee should communicate with each other about the organizational goal, how they will try to achieve the organizational goal. Measure actual performance, how the performance of the employee, what is the performance of the employee, how the employee is performing. The performance is measured by the organization. Then compare actual performance with standard. What the standard is set, whatever the standard is set for the performance, that is measured by the performance of the actual employee. Decision the appraisal with the discuss the appraisal with the employee. They will discuss the appraisal, what is the appraisal the employee is going to get in monetary funds, or there are many types of appraisal the employees get in type of bonus or in types of rewards, many more things. Or initiate corrective action. What is the corrective action? If is the employee fit for the organization, is the employee capable to achieve the organizational goal? This is discussed here. Now So this is the performance appraisal. This is how the organization used to. This is how the organization perform the performance appraisal. Then we are going to see the methods of performance appraisal. What are the methods of performance appraisal? There are two types of method. First is traditional method and second is modern method. So in traditional method, first is ranking method. Then checklist method. In ranking method, rank is given according to their performance. Rank is given to the employees according to their performance, which is given by their managers. Then checklist method have many questions about the performance of the employee and two options, that is yes or no. Next is forced method. Forced choice method is mostly biased method, or you can also say favoritism. So next is graphical method, in which the performance of the employee is judged based on the graph. Then is essay method. Essay method is a time consuming method in which a manager should write a brief about the performance of the employee. So it is a time consuming method. Next is confidential method, in which no one should know about what appraisal or is the employer going to get the appraisal or not. Next, then is grading method, in which grade are given to the employee based on the performance. Then rating scale method, in which the employee is rated according to their performance. Then comes method of performance appraisal, modern method. First is management by objective, that is also known as MBO. So in this MBO, what is the organization goal? What the employee have to achieve in the organization is discussed among the manager and the employee. This set the standard of the set the standard of the organizational goal, how to achieve the organizational goal. Then is psychological appraisal. Psychological appraisal, for example, there should be a positive attitude in a employee to work in the organization. He or she should know how to balance the work and life. So basically work-life balance. This shows how to balance the work-life balance. Then assessment centers. In assessment centers, the employees are assisted how to achieve the goal. Then 360-degree appraisal. 360-degree appraisal, everyone along with their colleagues, along with the employee colleagues, or everyone present in the organization are taken into consideration to for the appraisal of the employee. What are their decision, how they feel, is the employee capable to achieve the organizational goal or not. So everyone's decisions are taken into consideration in this 360-degree appraisal. Everyone's feedback are taken in this 360-degree appraisal. So I hope you all have understood about performance appraisal. Thank you so much.